morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, guys, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On today's video, guys, is a super special video, guys. I'm on the road, as you see. Wow, it's a chilly morning, very calm, amazing, and great. We give thanks to Almighty Jah for the yesternight rain to just drizzle on us and drizzle on the plants and other animals, in which we thank God for the rain and for the good life that He has granted to us this morning, guys. So on today's video, guys, it's a super special. I'm heading to Maro place today. Today I'm heading to do what we call like some of the monetization of some content creators. Then after there, I want to head to running some few errands. Then I want to take you to my grandma, actually, to my grandma. You know, we have been missing grandma. It's almost a month since I visited grandma, you know, because I'm always busy on the other side with running errands at Amaro. And guys, today I'm so much happy, man. It's a great idea, it's a great moment, it's a great everything is fine, everything is great. Look what we are saying about, guys. Look at the sky. The sky is nice, the sky is great, the sky is very beautiful. So you wanna see what's going on around on the other side. Oh, these boys are learning how to drive. How to drive. Yeah, so guys, it's one of the great moments. There's music inside here. But I don't want copyright. So it's early morning. Look at the sky, guys. Look at the sky. Sky ranking. Hey, hey. Sky ranking. Sky ranking. Have you seen? Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All day, it's a better day. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy. It's a better day, guys. I don't really think anyone can save me. Yeah, honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think very nice music. Mind, maybe elevate. Every day, every day, every time, every day. All I want, and I pray. All I need is a better day. All I need is a better day. Every day is a better day, guys, you know. No matter what happens, always we are here. We should be happy, man. Life is for the living. Yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's giving in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? I'm glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many different each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Every day, every day, every day. All I want, and I pray. All I need is a better day. Yeah, all I need is a better day. All I want, and I pray. I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need is a better day. Sam okay. Yeah, all I need is a better days. All I want. Yeah.
Sintaki_1. Sintaki_1, guys. Yes. And
Sintaki is very angry, guys.
No, man.
He met the guy.
I met a guy who actually
abuse you.
You know, once you bring family issue on some issue, it's not healthy.
Yeah.
Because yeah, but I think wisdom
is better than weapon.
Yeah, wisdom is better than weapon. And you know, once people talk ill about you, the best way to reply them is silence. You know, silence is a golden rule. It can make somebody look more stupid.
Yeah, absolutely.
But so I think silence. I'll go what our boss is doing.
Yes.
Because people react, people do what, but
He keep quiet.
he's quiet because it's not that he can't react to that, but it's good to be silent.
To be silent.
Yeah, it's good to be silent.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Sintek.
Good morning, a very good morning.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm on the ride with Samoke, Claude, Joseph.
Claude, Joseph.
Yeah, and we're going to the villa.
Absolutely.
Yeah, to see the daily activities.
Yeah.
And one thing about once we started this party,
Yes.
it's full of blessing, man.
Full of blessings.
Full of blessing. The interaction is amazing.
Yeah.
And no funny reports. No.
It's only these bitter people who feel like they want to become in the party, to part of the party, but they can't.
They can't be part of
So
it.
they become very bitter.
Yeah, you become bitter. You know, something about hatred
Yes.
is that when you have the hatred,
Yes.
that shows you can't be like that person.
Absolutely.
And you can't have what that person have. That's why you
Yeah.
become bitter.
Very bitter.
And you know, it's good to learn from people
Others,
who
yeah.
progressed
Yeah.
and ask them, what's your secret of success?
success.
How did you succeed?
How did you do this?
How did you do this?
You know, there's a saying which says,
Yeah.
if today you walk with a thief,
Yeah,
you'll be the next big thief.
yeah,
But if you walk with a billionaire,
yeah.
you'll be the next billionaire.
You'll be the next
Yeah,
millionaire.
but now these guys, actually they are at the stage.
Yeah,
I saw
yeah,
you
yeah.
were going there, but
Nah, yeah, you
No,
actually
let's
just came
confront
in
him.
and you know, it's like you just a guardian angel.
yeah,
Because if I would gone there,
It could
I would
be
have
another
another case and
yeah.
but it's good that I've you know, they say run away from Satan
absolutely.
and temptations.
Yeah.
Because if I would
you
have
know,
gone
this
there,
very morning, he might ruin your day.
yeah, he may ruin
You
my
might
day.
go there, maybe you beat him in a small plot, he die.
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
maybe he beat
yeah.
you, or maybe it becomes a police case.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you know, it's very unwise sometimes you. And you know,
To
guys,
walk out.
he was beating the chest. I'm here.
Yeah, you know.
But it is okay.
It's
man.
good to walk out, and that's maturity. You know, there's some things you may do.
Yeah.
You know, we growing up to be elders in our community.
Absolutely.
So there's some decisions. If I go and do something stupid,
Yeah.
people will judge me. Like,
Why?
you're the sober-minded person.
Yeah.
Why didn't you not have
Just-
to walk out?
Yeah.
And kudos to Claude, because you made me walk off that big temptation. And you know, these border guys, they like to
see people fight.
confront each other.
Yeah.
They're like, you see, I'm here with her. But yeah, we've experienced,
Yeah.
and it's good.
It's
So
good, man.
how have you seen the party since it
The party is
started?
going on well, man. Me, I'm blessed, absolutely. I'm very
Really
much
blessed.
I'm blessed, man.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes people come and they recognize me from America. Bro. I'm like, oh man,
yeah.
I'm recognized.
That's the best part. And also making friends, you know.
Making friends with
The best part is
Kiboga. Kuna kijana wewe nani uko hapo?
okay.
Kiboga anakula saa hii.
These are our transport team that normally brings the security.
Absolutely.
So tight security. We see Passy, shout out to yourself.
She doesn't want even to say hi. Okay.
Okay.
I am Mr. Kibo. Hi.
Yeah.
It's great, man.
Yeah, it's really great.
I used to dream about this life, but I haven't yet bought my own car. Like passing and greeting each person on the car. Hi.
Yeah, it's good to have a ride,
Yeah,
but you need to have your pockets full, because
Absolutely, yeah.
you know, a car is a liability.
It's a liability. It takes. It
Yeah.
doesn't appreciate.
Tear and wear,
Yeah.
doing what and what and what. But it's good. Right now in Africa,
Yes.
we came to realize that a car is a mode of
It's
transport.
a mode of transport.
Yeah, it's not a luxury
Not a
that
luxury, yeah.
you may see. You know, the notion that initially we used to have, that he has a car,
He's rich.
oh, he's rich. No, it's just a mode of transport.
Yeah.
And thanks to the
Dada.
president who brought the economy,
Yeah.
who brought the motorcycles, vehicles that now we can ride on.
Yeah.
Actually, it's good.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, the good thing is, man, Yafi, the good thing is, brother,
Yeah.
we used to see the cars and stuff, and we could be like, hey, it's rich. Like, me, I'm not rich, guys, but I'm driving.
Yeah.
But we give thanks, guys. It's a very early morning right here. We are heading to Mauro place. We wanna go check what's going on around.
Yeah.
Like me, I'm using this as a transport system for the visitors. Sometimes if there's an emergency, like yesterday, you know, I took people life care in Migori. Yes, that's why you saw me. I never came here in the evening time.
I had our sister speaking about it.
Yeah.
And it's good. But yesterday he carried me at the boot. I was at the back. And it's comfortable. At the boot is really comfortable compared to sitting on the
Guys, actually in the front seats I was full of maybe I'll say Dr. William, there's a visitor, and also there was Mzee and the other boys. So Mr. Sintek says, me anyway, even if I sit on the dashboard, I'll be okay as long as I reach home safe.
The boot is really it's got enough space.
It has its own comfort.
Yeah, you can stretch, you can lie down, you can. But let's say like here, you're limited. It's a limited edition.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So how do you see any changes on your channel as you are attending the party, bro?
Yeah, one thing, shout outs to Stefan.
Yes.
And you know, he gifted me a GoPro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I have it here. Now I think I'm good to hit the road.
Right there.
Yeah, this one here.
Man, it's really great. It has even its own mic.
Yeah, it has its own wind
cancellation.
Yeah, wind cancellation. And kudos to him. Man, this guy has blessed so many people.
Absolutely.
And another surprise that
damn dogs.
Yeah, damn dogs.
Damn dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the best part also, he bought me a masterclass.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
Man, that's one of the greatest actually.
Yeah. So if you ask me, have you achieved you being here?
Yes.
I'll say yes, because me as an MC of the party,
yes,
I didn't want to be paid.
Absolutely.
Because money ain't everything.
Absolutely.
But only even if I wouldn't have got let's say the GoPro or the masterclass,
yes.
I made friends.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I've made friends from abroad, and those friends today, tomorrow, will still link up. That's the best part. Today, if I say I want to go to America,
I want to sleep outside.
Yeah, I won't be homeless.
Yeah, absolutely.
You see. But previously, if I say even I want to go to Nairobi, I know nobody.
You know nobody.
Because I'm a village boy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So connection is the best. Connection, man, connection is everything.
And it's all about Marwa, because even if it wasn't Marwa, I think it will be. We will be here.
We'll be here, just roaming around the village, waking up.
Yeah, waking up,
thinking of other stuffs.
Yeah.
It's not okay. Maybe sometimes we could be like, if I grew bang, I could get a lot of money.
Yeah.
But now.
Or even being a cattle rustler.
Yeah, maybe if I become a cattle rustler, I go steal cows from Masai or in Tanzania.
Yeah, because that's one of our.
I run with them.
That's one of our
famous activity. It's a well-known activity.
It's a well-known activity. And YouTube has really changed.
Absolutely.
Has really changed our place for the better. Positive competition. Now we on this famous road.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. Famous road.
This is a famous road actually.
Really famous road.
Some 1 year to come.
Yeah.
This place will be tarmacked, man.
Yeah, will be tarmacked.
Because you can see already the president has started working on the other side.
Yeah, on the tarmac. Oh,
on the tarmac.
That it's called a security road.
Security road.
That will be connecting from Nyabohanse to those porous border.
Yeah.
Like there's a place we call Kumumwamu, Motemorabu. In English, there's no translation, but I can just try say Kumumwamu is where black people are.
Yeah, black people.
Yeah, and Motemorabu is a white tree, white big tree.
That, yes, a white big tree.
White big tree. Yeah. So
show them the activity done around here.
Yeah, the activities. I think he doesn't love camera. Yeah. But the activity.
Yeah.
Activities. People are the farm there. They're working.
Nice. And reception.
That's the best part. Now these are reception. He decided to bring the reception out.
Yeah.
So
we can avoid
all those notorious guys coming in.
Wagwan, man. Yes, I see you too. All right, that's Mr. Getiriba.
So that's Mr. Getiriba over there.
Mr. Konki, Mr. Sintek.
_1. We're here.
We are also with Mr. Marcos, Real Marcos, and
yeah. So these are our security personnel.
Hi, man.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. What's your name again?
I'm DJ.
DJ.
Yes.
DJ. Hey.
That's an abbreviation of the name, yeah?
Yes.
Wow.
Alright.
So security is tight. She handles the other gender, and
The Gitiriba here. I want to survey what is going here.
Logistics. We are empty. We are empty.
You are empty. Okay, man.
Oh, yeah, like that.
Can you write there your name? Of course, of anything. You sold.
But we always here.
No, it's
well, we are always
I wrote also.
But CJ is always here. If you write CJ here, he's always here. I'm very mobile.
So this one of once you reach at the party, the first thing that you're going to do, it's you write your name, you check in, then we know so that in case of anything, there's checking in, checking out.
Yeah.
But it's good to check in. We may know in case of anything. You may drop here. Maybe you seek your number.
What's the time?
The time now is
it's 9. 10.
Let me see. 9:55.
I don't know whether CJ has a very good handwriting.
Bro, I have a very nice handwriting.
Do you used to write letters in school?
In the girls, man. I swear before Christ, I used to be the one writing letters for
so
boys.
So you're spoiled even before
even
you get
vibes.
spoiled.
They used to tell me to use my own vibes to write for them. I used to be a sharpshooter, bro.
And a dedication, nigga. West Drive.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yes, don't get inside, man. We go. Hey, you know. Hey, yeah. Let's go now. That's it.
Yes. Tiriba here, guys. Inside. Let's go.
Hi.
Claude just say.
Yes. Tiriba.
Wale manganyo.
Manganyo, bang. You see what's going on around. Boss with Mr. Masik. I don't know what they are discussing.
Mr. Masika.
And
yeah, I'm from taking the boys from the hospital again.
Oh.
Hey, man.
Which boys were those?
Peace boy.
Oh. Oh, is it malaria?
Malaria.
Oh. It's normal, you know, because of the maybe the weather and stuff.
Yes.
Can be a
They
problem.
wanted to go to be checked.
Morning, sir.
How are you? Good morning. Yes. So we back down.
Morning, sir.
He loves food. That's our storekeeper. He normally sleeps with the onions and cabbage at the store.
Sleeps with cabbage.
Yes, and the onions.
Yeah.
And
Mr. Masika.
hello, Mr. Masika.
Somebody was searching for you.
Me?
Yes.
Hilo mame bwana.
Tangu jana.
Hai.
Hawezi kuacha. Hawezi kuachilia uende.
Leo.
Mpaka ukamilishana na yeye.
Hey guys.
So mpaka pale.
And you relax.
Hey guys, today I told you guys today is today.
Today is today.
Today is today.
Tomorrow is another day.
Another day.
Yes. So
let us park here and we see.
So thanks Claude for holding your camera to this place.
I appreciate it.
And so guys, it's still Sintaki_1. Go check me out.
Yes.
Yeah, we're here at the party now. Let's see what's popping.
Absolutely.
I'll see you.
See you guys. Let's see what's going on around. Alright. Guys, my guys. Just came back in the villa. And things are good, things are amazing, things are beautiful. Yesterday I was very busy on the other side, but today I came, I found when things are changing, things are great, things are very beautiful. And as you see how stuffs are around, things have been so great on the other side. So I'm going to call Mr. Masika and he's gonna be having with us a short brief story of how he does this almin degrees of the other stuffs of this other end, of the masking of these other stuffs, fixing of the glasses, sliding glasses. So Mr. Masik, don't even put on shoes, we are with you here. Yes, it has disappeared again. Okay, so but we are going up to InShot and we see what's going on around. So yes guys, it's early morning here and we are going to see what's going on around. So it's here, it's still initializing. So yeah, it's still here. Come in, bro. Yeah, it's still let's see. Yeah, so guys, this is Mr. Masika. Mr. Masika, introduce yourself.
I'm Geoffrey Masika.
Yes.
The aluminium guy.
Yes.
Yeah,
The one who usually speak very with a lot on.
Lawton.
Yeah, they have to understand me, isn't it? Okay,
But you know now
bear
you,
with me.
but you know now you are a YouTuber. But now you have to be so aggressive towards the camera.
Yes.
You need to shout and tell people what you do and tell them, hey man, I'm Mr. Masika, or I'm Pison Alu Grace Ventures. Yes.
Okay, I'm Masika.
Yes.
On YouTube, you will find me as Pison Alu Glass. I do all kinds of aluminium jobs.
Yes.
This one includes curtain walling. Curtain walling is where we install glasses on the walls.
Glasses on the walls.
Yeah, you don't see a wall. You only
Like-
see glass.
Like this. Let me show them
One
this.
right here.
Yes, this one I showed you the other day at night, and but most of you never saw it. So this is pure glass, guys. It's pure glass on the other side up to the other end.
But this is just a small piece of work.
Yes.
We normally install on tall buildings.
On tall buildings.
Tall
The
buildings.
skyscrapers.
The skyscraper.
Oh, so I used to be, you know, those days I used to think
Yes.
maybe they built with glasses.
No.
So after the building has been built, you install
We apply black paint. on the
black
wall.
paint on the wall.
Then we mount on our framework,
Oh yeah.
which we clad on the glasses.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we have done here.
Wow.
So that's when you come and see only glass.
Only glass.
Only glass.
Right. So Mr. Masika, you know, now you are a content creator.
Yes.
Maybe for these people will be asking who is this guy behind this. So introduce yourself and tell people you are Mr. Joffa.
Yes.
Yes, and they tell you what's going on around.
I'm Masika.
Yes.
Or Pison Alu Glass.
Yes.
When you go to
Salama.
YouTube,
Salama, karibu.
you'll find me there as Pison
Yes.
Alu Glass.
Yes.
One who is dealing with aluminium works.
Yes.
That involves creating or fabricating windows.
Yes.
Sliding windows or projection windows.
Projection windows.
And then there are sliding doors also.
Yes.
And then there are swing doors also.
Swing doors.
Yeah. And then there are office partitions.
Office positions.
Office partitions.
Yes.
We do install all that kind of works.
Yes.
Involving frameless doors.
Yes.
We do them. We install them.
Yes.
We do and install them. Okay. And we also try to do other works like shower cubicles.
Shower cubicles.
That's the work that we do.
You do.
We
Like
do
in
that, yes.
like in IMR, you mentioned about sliding doors, projection doors and windows.
Yes.
Which are these in Maro's building? Like the one on this other end, maybe.
We have seen
Eh,
curtain walling here.
Yeah, we have seen this was the curtain walling, guys, where we install glass on top of
Then
on top of what you call like yes,
these are the sliding doors.
yes.
Yeah, they slide. We have 6 panels.
The 6 panels, like when you see the 6 panels from 1, 2, 3, and also on the other side is 1, 2, 3.
So they meet together in the middle. So these 3
Yes,
slide to one side.
yes. This is one. And to the other end, also to the other side.
Yes, and then the other 3
Yes,
slides to
to the right hand side.
the other side.
It depends with how you are on this other side, or this is the left and this is the right.
right, yes.
But when you're on this other end, it's also the right, also the left. So it depends with how, in which position you are standing.
Yeah, it's true.
So this is sliding.
This sliding window.
Sorry guys, it was on a call. Right, yes. So this is what we call the sliding. What are some of the challenges that you face while trying to install such kind of doors?
The challenges we face,
Yes.
normally it involves alignment.
Alignment.
Alignment, maybe the mason could mess somewhere.
Yes.
When the masons mess somewhere, the alignment of the walls.
Oh, the alignment of the walls.
Yeah, and even the floor.
Oh, yeah.
So when there's that problem of alignment, it normally gives us a lot of problems. Because when the frame curves
Yes.
inwards, you see, this one's going to meet correctly.
Yeah.
It has to come out at the right angle.
You know, there's this one subscribers or one viewer who is watching and is maybe confused with a projection window and a sliding door.
Okay.
Yes, let's maybe be moving on the other side. So, like, how does the projection window looks like
Let me check.
on this other end? All right, guys. So let me share with you what's going on around. There's,
Upwards or
is it maybe to upwards,
upstairs?
upstairs?
Maybe we'll get.
Or
get
maybe
there.
yeah, we'll get there later.
From outside, we'll see it from outside.
Yeah,
We'll see it from outside.
or from outside.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and for the sliding windows.
Yeah, we have the sliding windows. First, guys, wanna be sharing with you. You know, sometimes we might be repeating, but it's not a repeating thing. But we have to educate more and share with you what's going on
These are
around.
the sliding windows.
These are the sliding one.
This is like that. This is the lock. The levers that locks.
Oh, yeah.
Open or lock.
We'll open and lock.
And down here we put rollers.
The rollers.
There are rollers down there, which make the window now slide.
To slide out the other side on this other end.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, this is one of the greatest actually. So like this, when it's red, green, it's locked.
Yeah.
When it's red,
It is open.
it's open.
Yes.
Oh, let's lock it. All right. So also on the other side. So like, did you find any challenge maybe working on a modular building like this?
Normally, if we are human,
Yes.
they won't lack challenges,
Yes.
and there have been challenges here and there.
Yeah.
Most of which we managed to deal with.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it was not that much, but the alignment, the perpendicularity.
The perpendicularity
yes,
of the
was
walling.
quite a problem, but that one is we normally meet such.
So such and such buildings.
There are those problems we cannot avoid them.
Oh, yeah.
They are usually there.
For sure.
They are usually there. So it was all okay.
It's all okay.
When you see that it is now in,
Yes.
it means we have conquered the problem.
Yeah, because the other side might be on the privacy. Maybe you can go the other side of the upstairs and we'll be sharing with you what's going on around, guys. Here we are with Mr. Masika. His YouTube channel name is Mr. Peace on Alu Grace. So his YouTube channel name is Peace on Alu Grace, and he's really doing the great work on the other end. So we are going up. Yeah, so on the other end, this is Mr.
Kitiriba here, guys. Project out Kitiriba.
Yes.
I have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Go to subscribe. Go to 5,000, and don't forget Claude Joseph.
Absolutely, yes.
Road to
20,000 subscribers.
I have phoned my boss. I want to give something.
All right. You also find mine. Okay, so yes.
Now these are the swing doors.
Oh, he's part of your work, right? Oh, yeah.
These are the swing doors.
Now the thing, guys, the other time we were having no lock, but for now we have lock. Oh, so no pushing, it's pushed by its own.
Yeah, then these levers.
Come on, guys.
How it goes.
Let me see. And then I leave it.
Then you leave it. Close the split. So there's no banging.
No banging. You know, the reason why I was like, why is this door today very heavy? Because I, even pulling it, it was like somehow, I was like, ah. But, and oh, there's this layer. Wow. The door closed.
Yes.
Alright. So guys, we are here around with Mr. Masika, and also we're having another door around here. It's very great. It comes by its own, and you lock, and you feel some you see some fresh, beautiful fresh air from the other side. The environment is very green. And guys, afterwards I want to take you home to my grandma. I want to be sharing with you what's going on around, but in initial, this is how you see how stuffs are. Everything is cool, everything is great. From here you'll be seeing some fish jumping up and down from the other side of the other end, and this is the environment of the other end. So Mr. Masika, now, so we were going to the projection window.
Yeah, I think we shall go
downwards on the other side.
The other side.
Yeah, so give us self introduction, and not an introduction but a shout out for the people who are watching you, because now you're having a YouTube channel. Yes.
Okay, guys, my name is Geoffrey Masika again. My YouTube channel is called Peace on Alu Glaze.
Yes.
So guys,
Peace on Alu Glaze Ventures.
Alu Glaze Ventures.
Yes.
And if you want to find me by contact,
Yes.
or WhatsApp number is +254
Yes.
711
Yes.
208625.
8625.
And when you have to find me on YouTube,
Yes.
just go to Pizon
Alu Glaze Ventures. Alright guys, this is Mr. Masika, is the guy behind the good work you see around here, framing of this best area. You know, even you can't see space on this other end. And the good thing is when the door is closed, this one, the one who is inside the room,
Yes.
he can't hear the noise, like this generator noise from us. Let me give you a live example, guys. Okay, I'm pushing. Okay, from out you can hear the crazy noise, but when you push, there it has gone. Yeah, so let's see what's going on around. Also this, I love the door, man. When you push it in and you see you are going, but behind it it's closing, guys. And look also the souvenirs. Wow, I have some great souvenirs. The lion, the conqueror of the lion is here. Also we have this is wow, it's perfect. It's good. Yeah, this is an elephant. We have a trunk and tusks, and man, this is Kenya. Hey, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, guys. Yeah, so do you have some words to say as we go to the other side of the what we call like the other side of how do you the projecting window? Projection of the projecting window.
Projecting windows.
Yes.
Okay, what I would like to say is that
Yes.
normally for the builders
Yes.
who want to build,
Yes.
they normally find guys who maybe would take them for granted.
Yes.
They won't deliver
Yes.
as they have promised.
Yes.
So I'm here. I'm that guy who can do it just as I did from Mr. Marwa.
Yes.
He sent me his money. He trusted me. I don't know him. He doesn't know me. He doesn't have my ID, but he sent me a lot of money.
Absolutely.
But in the end, I
Delivered the work.
delivered the work.
Wow, guys. This is what we call trust and amazing. So the villa is very nice. And let's go and see what's going on around as I head to grandma. And from heading to my grandma, I wanna head to Sirari border, the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Okay. Wanna see what's going on happening around, guys. So that's the big surprise of the house. We are 100% with Mr. Masika around here. Very nice guy, very great. And we might be seeing what's going on around on the other end. So running errands here and there. And it's not easy, guys. You shoot video at the same time you run errands. Now this is what we call like balancing. So sometimes, guys, bear with me. We usually say where you eat is where you work is where you eat. So with me, I just find sometimes little time to shoot videos outside, and this is where sometimes I work. So sometimes I have no work. So yeah, Mr. Masik, even you, but you eat where you work. So there's these people who sometimes attack me like, why every single day you are doing videos at the Maro compound? Where can I do other videos when I'm working here? You know?
Your place of work.
Yeah, it's my place for work.
That is where you know everything comes from.
Yeah.
So whatever they are saying should not affect your
My
focus.
Yeah. Let me pick my phone from this side.
Projection unit is here.
Okay. Let me pick my phone first. You can speak to the
Okay. Hi guys, this is the projected window I've been talking about. As you can see, that is the projected window. So it is not open at the moment, it is closed, but that's the kind of projection window I was talking about.
Oh, now this is a projecting
This is
window.
a projecting window, it opens like that.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one.
Guys, and it's in the toilet, right?
Yeah, toilet, yeah.
Oh, so it opens upwards, or?
It normally opens upward, but
Yeah.
this one I opening sideways.
Oh,
It's a
sideways.
projected window.
Yes.
Even this one.
There's also another one around here. Oh, guys, now this is what we call projectable window.
This one. Normally in the toilet.
Oh, in toilets. Like this one you see over there, guys. Wow. Thank you so much, Mr. Masika.
Yeah, you're welcome.
For your time and for the good work that we have done around here in the villa. I appreciate it, guys. What I can urge you as a pay from Claude Joseph is you to subscribe to his YouTube channel at Pison Alu Grace Ventures. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. Let me head now from the villa to my home.
Yeah.
Wanna take people to show people my grandma. Yes.
Go
All right.
meet her for
Yes.
me.
Yeah. All
I
right.
still have to finish some few things here.
All right.
And maybe head back to Nairobi.
All right. Before you go to Nairobi, I wanna take you home.
Okay.
Oh yes. Thank you. Alright guys, that's how everything is with Mr. Masika. Things has been so nice, has been so great. The party is now going, and as you see, now we have to rush to the other side. the tenting and other stuffs, and we wanna see what's going on around. Let me see what's going on around, and things will be so cool and very nice. So wow, I'm seeing people are sitting at the gazebo.
We are chilling at the gazebo.
We are chilling at the gazebo. Is it gazebo or gazebo?
Joseph in the village.
Yes, the only Joseph.
The Claude
The
Joseph.
only Claude Joseph. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're doing good. Hey guys, you look nice on this gazebo, man.
Thank you.
Yes.
And
Yes.
because you provided
Hello?
such a beautiful-
Yeah. Yeah, so you wanna say introduce yourself, guys?
Hello, this is Ronnie.
Ronnie the Nomad.
Yeah, for those who don't know me,
Yes,
I'm happy to be hosted in Chala.
absolutely.
It's a great opportunity.
Yes.
And we're happy to also be hosted here by you, by Marwa. This is your village.
For sure.
We are happy. This is like a home now for 2 weeks.
For
two
sure.
weeks. Yes.
It's home for everyone, you know. Home for everyone.
Home for everyone.
Yeah. My Ugandan lady. Hey, Shami. Shami also want to Shami. It's called
Yeah,
Shami
Shami vlog.
Yuji.
Yeah.
Oh. So
guys,
yes.
thank you so much for hosting us. We appreciate.
Yes.
Yeah, we really love being here. The
Yes.
place is cool.
Yes.
However, a bit cold, but if you have sweaters, you see, I carried 2 today.
I had your sweater. Did you find
picked it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, kindly go and check me out. Shami Vlog. I'm a Ugandan by nationality, currently in Kenya, Nyamuhansi
Now she'll
village.
be a Kenyan by marriage.
Yeah, I really
You want to be married here?
Mhm,
Can you be my third wife?
Mhm.
Hey, I even thought maybe she'd say no.
Why? Why?
Because you heard me saying third wife.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm ready to be the third wife, guys.
You're ready to be the third wife.
Very ready. Take
Oh.
me.
How do you see life here in the village? Is it nice like in Uganda?
Personally, I have not been to villages.
Yes.
Even back in my home,
Yes.
I rarely go to the village. I go there like 1-2 days,
Yes.
something like that. So I love the experience because it's new to me
It's
as
new
a
to
person
you.
here.
Guys, I wanna subject her to God's perfume as we're going home with her. Now she has accepted me as she was accepted that should be the third wife.
Yeah.
I'll take her to my home, and she'll be running helter-skelter with the goats.
I'm ready.
Have you ever heard how the goat smells?
Yeah, I had them here.
Now that will be a full-time job. You know, I'm a farmer.
I'm ready to be a farmer.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
guys, when you're led by a farmer,
Yes.
follow the farmer.
Absolutely. Thank you so much,
You're
guys.
welcome.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Shami Vlog UG.
We have
All right.
someone also
We also
new
have someone over here. Hey.
Yes. How are you people?
I'm good.
How is you, Claude, yourself?
I'm very, very nice.
Okay, guys, here we are at Marwa's place. We are doing some content, enjoying the party, and
Yes.
appreciating people here. So my name is Mercy Samoya. I also have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Currently, I changed to Mercy J.
Mercy Joseph.
Mercy J.
Maybe it can be Mercy Joseph. Okay, Mercy J.
Kidding. But when you search my name currently, it's
Hey,
still
let's do this. You subscribe now.
Yeah.
That's a new subscribe.
for sure.
Okay. Yeah, this way. That's how you get. You
that's
people.
a new
You know, sometimes I'm so shocked with you guys. You know me around here. I think and everybody around here subscribe to Claude Joseph.
Yeah,
The reason why I go like if I see you are new, I show you my channel and you subscribe.
Okay.
That's how you grow. Right here, you could be telling everybody. You see somebody new, say, "Can you subscribe to my channel?"
channel, okay.
We are over 100 plus here, over 200, I think. So if you tell everybody, tell everyone subscribe, you show her your channel, subscribe, subscribe. By the end of the day, you'll be having 100 plus subscriptions from just within here. Now, if you do a shout out with this, a shout out with this, a shout out with this. There is a subscriber which you can't force to subscribe, but they wish to subscribe.
Yeah, for sure,
Alright.
for sure.
Yes.
So as I was saying that I
Yes.
currently changed my name because somebody advised me to change from Samoe.
Yes.
That's SAMOEI
Yes.
because it was kind of difficult and
Yes.
it hasn't yet updated
Yes.
because it takes 14 days.
Oh.
So it's having about I changed 4 days ago, so maybe after 10 days. So if you're watching currently and you want help me or kindly help me subscribe, you'll search Mercy Samoe.
Mercy Samoe.
But later, maybe after 10 days, it will be Mercy J. That
Mercy
will be
J.
my official.
All right, let me go there. I'm seeing there's some African traditional
so
cook.
much. Thank you so
You're
much,
welcome,
Pastor.
guys. Kindly, guys, subscribe to their YouTube channel at
appreciate
Mercy J,
Pass by here.
Ronnie the Nomad, and Shami Vlog.
Shami Vlog.
UG.
Yeah.
Let me go there, then I wanna rush home. Okay.
We appreciate.
Okay, guys. Thank you. So, guys, we are in Mauro Place over here. things are nicely, are very great on the other end. Hey, there's a muddy wedding here. Hey, look on this other end. So guys, I want to share with you what's going on around. There's one of the greatest work over here that it just brought my heart, like, to see what's going on around. Hey, traditional medicine.
This traditional medicine.
What are you trying to do?
This is
Hey guys, this is how we cook.
I will show you. This is what I'm boiling right.
What are you boiling?
I'm boiling the oregano.
Oregano.
This is the one I'm boiling.
What is it used for?
And the muarubaini.
What is it used for?
This is a traditional tissue in our here culture.
Yes, very nice, very soft.
Medicine for the chicken.
Yeah, look
So
like
use
this.
the
Very,
tissue.
very
it smells
soft.
so good. I mix it with the muarubaini.
Neem tree. So in here we have
Yeah.
this
You just
regano.
throw it inside.
I throw it.
Yeah, no problem.
We have this. We have
Yeah.
also neem
Yeah,
tree,
yeah, the
and
neem
she's boiling using the pot.
Yeah, and also I'm doing steaming. Inside there is githeri,
Oh,
corn and beans.
Beans
Mixed
for Claude Joseph. Guys, you know we are used to smoke. Eh. Okay.
Guys, it's been like 5 years. I've
Since-
never used this.
Oh, you have ever you
I've
have
never used see, it's now 5 years. So
5
now,
years.
So now I'm trying to do it
Yeah.
like the way we used to do it in our homes.
Guys, this is the pot.
Yeah,
This is
it's
the
the pot.
sufuria.
Yeah.
This is how we cook
Yeah.
actually in the village. Deep in the village, we used to use this to cook food.
Yeah.
Like now inside there, it's boiling githeri
Yeah,
and other
githeri.
stuff. So give yourself an introduction. I wanna rush to grandma.
So guys, I'm Eliza underscore Jacob.
Yes.
We are here at Marwa's Villa.
Yes.
We are doing the magic. We are embracing the guests who are coming. Even us, we are guests, but now when we arrive,
Yes.
we become the
These
owners.
are one of the activities, guys. Well done. So you'll come and cook with us with the pot. There are activities. You'll be sharing with you activities like sharing, cooking, like cooking from the pot like
In fact,
this.
this food for the VIP.
VIP like
Yeah. So
they
we want
requested
them to
for this.
taste
Yeah.
Everything.
Hey,
Locally made food.
hey. From this and this and this, guys. Okay, guys, this is Eliza Jacob. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a sweet comment.
Yeah.
We will really appreciate your love and support. So from here, let me drive back to Mama. All right.
And also we are washing clothes on the other way.
Oh,
We are multitasking.
okay. Okay, guys, let's go and see. So, guys, I'm in the car. I wanna rush to Grandma first, say hi to her, and then I wanna end the video, guys. You know the good thing is, guys, Granny. I'll also do a special video tomorrow with her, but for now, let me rush, go see what's going on around. Safety belt first. As you enter in a car, then brake, then eugenate. Then after eugenation, handbrake down. Amazing. No, reverse. Yes. You can see what's going on there. Yes. Now drive. Let's see what's going on around. Yeah. If I'll step in Marwa's guinea fowl, I'll be fired. So let me now head and see what's going on. Yes, mister. Maganga. Let me see what's going on. Mr. Lennox.
Yes, Mr. Lennox.
And Mr. Steve
The
J.
ship man. This is a ship man, this is a man. Yeah, man.
Yes, Mr. Steve J1.
Yes, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
We're doing
And
well.
Mr. Lennox, how's your morning or your evening, your afternoon going?
It's afternoon.
Good man, the
Yes.
weather is so perfect today.
Hey, it's sunny today.
Sunny.
Yeah.
Today I'm not in the working gear.
Why?
Today we are going to eat money.
Eh,
We're going to eat manu.
I know, guys.
Yeah.
You know it's payday. It's payday actually.
It's money day.
It's payday.
Yeah.
I'm
Hey.
really longing to be in your shoes, you two.
Please
Hey.
show up.
I'll see you to give me
Please
some.
show up. Oh. And good people, thank you for watching our videos. Keep supporting our brother, Claude, and my brother here, Shipman, Mr. Lennox,
Mr. Lennox.
Junior.
Yes, Lennox Junior on YouTube, guys.
I wanna rush see my grandma.
Lennox.
I'm going to see my grandma, and I'm heading also to the other side. From grandma, I wanna head to Sirari, see what's going on around.
Okay.
All right, guys.
We're also catching up. No?
All right, guys.
See us.
Thank you,
See
guys.
Thank you.
All right. Hawa ndege wa maroni si wagonge bana. Hawa ni kiwagongo hapa. Na wana kiburi. Hawa ndege si niwafukuzie bana. Hawa ndege wana kiburi, wanataka ni wagongo nifute kazi.
Hapo kinini utashuka tumekataka kuja.
Okay, cool. So let's go see what's going on around. You know these birds, they are guinea frogs. Zinaingia chini. Hey, the guinea frogs, guys, are crazy.
They are very crazy.
You know, they go up. Yeah, that's the steep journey. And like the other one over there. See the way he's struggling. So they come and they go on top of them. Okay, mister, thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Lennox. Okay, just let's go up. See what's going on around. So, me, I'm leaving. So guys, we are heading home. First we have to go to Sirari. I'm with Min Howie.
Hey guys. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you doing? We just met coincidentally. So we are heading to the border town. I don't know what this is going. You're going to do what?
We are going to take
Hi guys.
To pick Marwa stuffs.
Okay. Yes, we are going to buy wall plugs. Wall plugs. Yeah, I forgot them in Nairobi, but now I didn't find them in Nyabohanse, so I have to go to the border. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to pick them with Mr. Claude and Minhawi. Thank you guys for meeting you again. Okay, it's okay. I'm so happy to see you. Welcome back. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, that's where we're headed. I don't know. I wanted actually, I forgot and went to a salon here. Yeah. I wanted them to hot water my hair, but then I forgot there's no electricity. Oh, you do what? Hot water? Yeah, I want to hot water them. I'll show you. Like, hopefully, are we going to take time at the border?
Not really.
Not really. Like, I think it should take like 30 minutes. That's okay. Oh, okay. Max, so that I can. I've not finished. I did not finish making this hair, so I feel like I need to do something. Oh, you mean like you curl them? Yeah, curl them. Oh. Yeah, but in the meantime, guys, here we are.
We're heading there, then we'll come back home. This video is made for Granny.
Oh, we're going home?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And I'm also going to capture my mom.
Alright.
Okay, so guys, we're also from mom's place. Yes. I went and bought 4 gorogoros of both rice and dengu. Oh. She's like, oh, I finally met your mom. She's like, why are you bringing your mom here? My mom is around, guys, so you're going to get to see her. Oh yeah. You're going to get to see my mom in the course of the day. I don't know whether on this vlog, maybe on this vlog. I mean, never say never. But here we are.
And it's not the first time they see her on this vlog.
Yeah, they've seen her before. Yeah. So she's ready. Actually, she wants to become a YouTuber. She wanted to.
They are close to school now. Yeah,
it's
free
boys.
birds.
Oh my God, they can't keep calm. I know.
Keep calm, man.
Yeah.
They are free birds.
Okay, guys. Hola.
Hola, let's go there.
Okay. Guys are done with high school now for fourth formers. The 12th grade, they call it the 12th grade in the US. Yeah, so they're done with high school. Now they are celebrating. Actually, we're congratulating some of them as they're walking. They could not like keep calm. It was all fun and they're feeling so good. Yeah, so that's it, guys. We are at the border town, guys. Isibania to be specific. I know you know this place, but we'll keep on reminding you because we have new subscribers coming in each and every day. So we have to tell them where we are, where our location is, so that they be conversant and they know exactly what is happening around here. So Yeah.
We are the informers.
Are you okay though?
I'm very much okay. Very great.
Have you eaten something?
Not really.
Okay.
This morning I just took my morning sorghum porridge.
Okay.
I'm okay.
All right. Guys, see you in a bit. Hey guys. Say something.
Hey guys, so we are heading back in the village. I wanna see what's going on around. This video was made to go and see grandma and she can say hi, man. You have missed grandma. So let me say, go see, even she can say hi for 5 minutes. Then we wanna end and upload the video. You know, Claude is shoot and upload. Yeah, I used to shoot in advance, but I saw sometimes it kills the channel. You are shooting something in advance, you find the other one already uploaded it. So it's you shoot kill. Yeah. Now I'm doing shoot to kill. I shoot and I upload. So we are heading home in the village. And for the new subscribers, you'll see where home is. My village home. And you'll be very much also lucky to see our the only bulletproof house in the village. Yes. You only see the bulletproof house, and everything will be so cool and amazing. Very, very great. And beautiful and amazing.
Let's go.
Home sweet home. What?
You know when I look at you.
It's a village road of ours.
You know when I look at you, what
I will
happens?
say Claude Joseph's son was knocked down. Hey, Claude Joseph's son.
When I look at you, you know what that means.
What does it mean?
No, I won't say it here.
It's the road for us, not me. Sometimes you have to go slowly.
That's the point now. That's my points, actually.
Well, I'm not a rough rider.
Ah.
I'm not a rough rider. Yes, I ride very nicely.
Okay.
Very gentle. Hey, home sweet home. Guys, this is my home.
I said we need to get some maize.
Hey, we need to go with maize. Hey,
Yeah,
we have maize here, guys. Hey,
it's ready.
Esther.
Actually, you're the one laughing at this maize when it was hit by hailstones. Remember? You went out and laughed. He laughed at I laughed at everyone.
Why?
Actually, the maize had been destroyed, and he was so wise not to plant his own maize.
This season I never planted.
So why were you laughing at other people?
I was wise. I told them not to plant.
But then on the maize, now you want to. I think they should not give you.
They shouldn't.
He laughed. It was so hysterical. I was like, whoa, it's never that serious. But then now, they proved you wrong. That the maize can grow. I swear, I hope there's something to eat. I'm so hungry.
I hope there's something to eat here. Not quite
I
sure.
can see Grandma on the other side.
She's there, sitting.
Shasha! She's going to scream, trust me. You need to capture that. I'll capture that.
Hey there. Guys, we just arrived home. And we're going. Go, bro, ando punguza mziki. We just arrived home, guys. Things are good. Things are amazing. Hi Doma. Hi Doma. Hi Doma. Hi Doma. Legi tufiki lagasa. Hi Doma. Ile mulale. Hi Doma.
Mwana wane niki nadi.
Hi Doma. Ile mulale. Hi Doma.
Mwana wane wafiki langaso.
Hi Doma. Ile mulale. Hi Doma. Hey. What a dress. Hey guys, I missed grandma. Look. Very nice. Hey. A big shout out to whom sewed this for my grandma. Was Lynette K_KE with Dorina Irisha. And thank you subscriber for donating for my grandma to be sewed this amazing
dress. Amuka juu bibi to yes to see. Miguu. Aya, imuka. Haya. With the new shoes. With the new shoes also. Hey. Baby.
Hey.
He missed you.
No.
You missed you.
Missed you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, now even the teeth is not itchy. The area is very nice, no guys.
Very good.
Yeah, missed
Very good. Very good. Tunataka mcheke.
Hey. You feel good?
Very good.
All right.
Right.
Say, I feel all right. I feel all right.
I feel
all right.
Right.
Yes, guys, this is my grandma. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Yes, guys.
Like.
We are on the road to 20k.
Road
to 20k. 20k subscribers.
20k
guys, hiya bibi ka. Hiya baby. Hiya baby. Hiya. Yes, guys, this is my home. This is how everything is. Baby, leo kuna big surprise.
Akona zawadi.
Yes, guys. Guys, this is my home. Hiya, guys, just enjoy. Guys, this is my home. This house staffs are. This is my brother's house, and this is our beautiful pink house. And also on the other side, that's my dad's house, or my parents' house. There's some work still ongoing. Let me see. Hey, sister. Good morning.
No, it's not morning.
Good evening.
Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Form ni gani?
Form ni kukua true.
Kukua true?
Yeah.
Form ni kukua true. Hey. Yeah, hi.
Village life, eh?
Village life, right?
Must work.
No working, no food. Yes, guys, let me see what's going on around here. There's some masons working on my father's house. They're doing some plastering. And mafundi, hali vipi? Kwa salama? Yes, guys, there's some plastering ongoing. And we are trying to see what's going on around on the other end, up to the far end. So it's pure plastering. Daniel, mambo vipi Daniel? Mko poa? Yes, there's some plastering of my dad's house on the other end. Kazi safi fundi, sawa? Kabisa. Hey, kazi safi means good job. So it's plastering. Changing home, guys, you know. Changing home is the best. And everything is nice. So around here, this is one of the greatest things around. As you see, let me go in.
Were you in the shamba?
No, I was someplace very far. I think I took somebody's.
It's not sure.
Guys, this is back, and this is Shuja. So I think somebody somewhere is crying with his shoes at the villa. Guys, this is our bulletproof house. Yes. Now this is our bulletproof house. Yes, guys, welcome to Claude Joseph's bulletproof house. Hey, lights, stop. Oh, the light doesn't want to listen. Okay, they are listening. So, guys, this is our bulletproof house, and this is how you see it. Oh, I missed the bulletproof house. Now we have going to install a very big product over here, in which we wanna see what's going on around. We wanna see. Hi, good. Yeah, we love this. Blue one is best. Yeah, the blue one is best, guys. So this is the Claude Joseph's home. This is my home, guys. This is my house. In the village, we call it bulletproof house, and it's actually still on working. We have to install some of the what we call the other stuffs on top of this other end. Wow, it's great job, well done. And also, this is it. We have the Nyabohanse Star Walk of Fame. The only remaining thing is to furnish it, paint it white, but you see the way it is, it's nice. It's a 2-bedroom house, a 3-bedroom house. We have the master bedroom, which is this one over here. It's the master bedroom. Around here it has its own toilet over there. Yet we haven't yet installed it. And also we are having another room, which is this. It's locked because I'm not in use of it. And also we're having these amazing shoes sent from America. Now this shows me that I have to have a family, you know, so I can't give out these shoes out. I'll have to have a family, maybe a daughter or a boy. I'll marry, not soon, but I'll marry. Thank you so much, guys, for being on this YouTube channel. I do appreciate your love and support. We are here. I'm not in the villa today. I just had decided to come and say hi to my family, see how the work is ongoing. And of course, also my family have been missing Claude for long and everything. And also they were having what we call like a gift here brought by Granny, by Esther, to my gran. Esther,
Yeah.
I'm seeing you brought some amazing gift for Granny.
Yeah, for our grandma with Minhawi and Claude Joseph.
Yes.
She's very happy to have so many children.
Absolutely.
Yeah, once they go and come back with
Gifts.
And her, the only way we want her to do is pray for us.
Absolutely.
Yes.
She won't grow old.
That's it.
Look.
Yeah.
She will never grow old, Mama. Because she's so young. Look.
Hello.
Guys, I know you miss this kind of moments, but yeah, we are blessed.
Yes.
And also we are having this. This is, you know, Busara. Have you ever tried this?
No.
Maybe I should buy you this now. You try this. It's very sweet.
What is that?
It's a traditional drink. Very, very great and sweet.
Traditional. It's made of what?
It's made from sorghum and cassava. Try it. It's like Moratina.
For you?
Is it alcoholic?
It's not alcoholic, but when it stays for long, it becomes alcoholic.
Guys, this is the first time I'm trying this.
Yes.
Guys, this is the first time I'm going to be trying things. You call it
Energizer,
what?
Korean Energizer.
Korean Energizer.
Busara.
It's made from sorghum and cassava.
Yes.
Or like our own Moratina.
Yes.
Oh God, pray for me.
Can we have some Moratina? I swear, if someone can send that to me.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's like porridge.
Yeah.
It's like you want to tell me that this one is what you use, maybe like a traditional alcohol?
No, it's not
in Korea.
No. That's the traditional one. You can't
but
even.
This one is like alcohol.
No.
I mean like porridge.
It's like porridge.
It's like porridge. I thought even something like Moratina is somehow sweet and bitter.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is it. It's called. It's very best actually.
Hi guys. And how are we here?
We came back home.
Yeah, we came back
Yes,
home.
let me show them how everything is around.
Okay.
Maybe I can take them to For Sky's.
Take them to For Sky's plant.
We want to see For Sky's plants how everything is around. So this is how my compound or our compound looks like, guys, in the village. We appreciate your love and support. This is how everything is. My goats. Oh man, I missed my goats. I missed my goats. My goats. My goats. You have a goat. A small one. Meh. Also have another one right here. We also have another goat right here. Hi. Good. Okay. I also missed you. We also have another goat. Another goat. Hi. Say hi to For Sky. Hi. This goat gives triplets. Also another one right here. The young one of this. Hi. Yes, guys, we'll be ending the video, but before we end the video, I want to be sharing with you what's going on around. This is our bulletproof house in the village. Pink house. For now, I left it a little bit. I never abandoned my house. I left it just a few so that I can concentrate on Marwa's villa and see what's going on around. And also, let me see For Sky's little plants. I'm coming. That's the goat. I'm coming, Mr. Goat. Okay. Guys, this is our small yard over here. And there was some For Sky's. Now they have grown. There's some For Sky's little plants here. Oscar, your plant is this one. No, it has dried up. Now it has become this way. It's falling down. Hey. Alright guys. Oscar, don't come for me. I've not taken good care of your plants, but I'm sorry, I wasn't around. I'm very busy at Marwa place. So alright guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. Be blessed always. This is my home. This is where I come from. This is where my umbilical cord was cut. And yeah, let me know in the comment section, you are showing home. This is my home guys. Thank you. Be blessed always. And bye bye.